Good morning, students. Welcome you all in this learning session. Dear students, today we are going to study a new chapter which is titled as The Beggar, and this chapter is taken from your book Movements. Dear students, it will be beneficial for all of us to have a look first of all over the theme of the story, and the theme is the story is based on the theme of transformation of a alcoholic through kindness, compassion, and selflessness. Olga, Olga's noble words and deeds changed Lashkov's heart. He gave up drinking and mended his ways. Another theme of this chapter is that gratitude. Lashkov had become weak because of alcoholism and was no longer able to work. He depended on telling lies and begging in order to survive. But when he received kindness, he acknowledged it with gratitude and remained indebted to Olga for life. Now, my dear students, after the theme of the story, we are going to have a look over the summary of this chapter. And the summary is The Beggar is the story of a beggar named Lashkov. While begging, he met an advocate, Sergei, who gave him work. Sergei asked him to cut wood at his house. He asked the cook to show him the shed where wood was kept. The beggar was too weak and was under the influence of alcohol. He could barely stand on his feet. Still, the cook Olga told Sergei that the wood had been chopped. Sergei was glad that the man worked and paid him 50 kopecks for chopping the wood. He asked him to come on the first day of every month for it. Sometimes he asked him to shovel the snow or to set the wood in the shed or to dust the rugs. He would pay between 20 to 40 kopecks and once gave his old trousers to him too. When Sergei shifted his house, he employed the beggar to help in transporting the articles. The beggar had changed as he was sober that day, and Sergei felt satisfied that his efforts had paid in reforming a drunkard. As he could read and write, Sergei asked his name, offered him better work, and shook hands with him. After that day, Lashkov, the beggar, was never seen. After 2 years, Sergei was buying a ticket outside a theater and spotted Lashkov. Lashkov was well dressed and was buying a ticket of the gallery area. Sergei was glad to see him and called him. Lashkov was now working as a notary and earned 35 rubles a month. He thanked Sergei for helping him out of the pit for his kindness. Lashkov told Sergei that it was not for him but for his cook Olga that he was a changed man. She would scold him, cry for him, and chopped the wood for him. Her behavior transformed Lashkov. With this, he went to the theater. Now, my dear students, after summary, it's time to have a look over the value points of the story. Sergei helped Lashkov when he was sure that the beggar would chop wood for him. He believed that honest labor has the power to reform Lashkov. Olga, the cook, had a different opinion in this regard. She helped Lashkov without making any demands. Though she scolded Lashkov with a sharp tongue, she chopped the wood for him. Sergei was happy because he had put a man on the right path who earns 5 kopecks daily. But Olga's approach is more humane and effective. Actually, Sergei forced Lashkov to begin taking the charge of his destiny. Lashkov thanked Sergei for what he had done for him. He also told Sergei that because of Olga's actions there was a change in his heart. he was unable to forget Olga. Now, my dear students, here are the meanings of some of the difficult words. With the help of these words and their meaning, you can read and understand the content properly. Okay. Now, my dear students, it's time to answer some questions. So, I am going to give you some questions, and all of you should answer those questions. Okay. What was the name of the beggar? It is your first question. And the options are: first, Olga; second, Lashkov; third, Sergei; and fourth, none of the above. I think the question is simple one. And my dear students, the answer is Lashkov. Your second question, my dear students: what was Lashkov in his earlier life? Options are: first, school teacher; second, a student; third, Russian choir singer; and fourth and last one is none of the above. And the right option is, my dear students, Russian choir singer. Lashkov was in his earlier life a Russian choir singer. Now the third question, my dear students: who was Olga? Options are: a beggar, Sergei's cook, an advocate, and last, a wood chopper. And the answer of this question is, my dear students, Olga was Sergei's cook. Fourth question: what did Sergei give Lashkov for chopping wood? Options are: first, a pound; second, a dollar; third, a franc; and fourth option is none of the above. The answer of this question is, my dear students, none of the above. Now, my dear students, it's time to answer the classwork questions. In your classwork, I have given you 5 short answer type questions and 2 long answer type questions. And I hope all of you should start answering these questions. Okay, my dear students. Now, my dear students, I hope all of you have enjoyed the session. I hope we will meet very, very soon. Till then, take care of you, and thanks to all of you, my dear students. Well done, my dear students.